forecast. Temperatures where reported fever and whistle. When from this morning to late this evening. Increases from 9:20 the river inundating lower portions of Trail Marker Park without effect in Henryville. Additional details at the standard time for the state 8.3 p.m. Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage this morning to 9.3 this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this afternoon to 7.7 this evening. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood area will cut to the increase threat of 9.3 August 15, 2004. Splash www.weather.gov/. Safety flash. Flood.
Where on the river near the place? When until Saturday morning. Impact at 10 feet. Flooding occurs in Kingsbury and Pontiac parks. Additional details at 11:15 a.m. Thursday. The stage was 9.8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 10.2 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 10 feet. Never drive vehicles through flooded areas. The water may be too deep to allow safe passage. Never allow children to play in or near flood waters. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or local media for further statements and updated forecasts. Detailed river forecasts and additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/IWX under rivers and lakes. The statement will be updated within the next 12 to 24 hours.